Okay, welcome to 118 Michelle. This is in Sugar City, Idaho. This little subdivision here is a very quiet little subdivision. Very little through traffic here. Basically just the neighborhood would be the traffic. There's your side yard. This is on the north side of the home. You got a one-car garage here, but room to park at least 3 cars off street. So really nice space on the pad. This little deck. Let me just walk you around the yard really quick. Bully barns included. Really nice barn. Got some raised garden beds here. Fully fenced yard. Lots of upgrades here. Roof and siding, soffit and fascia. Everything's in very, very good condition. This little outdoor space here is great. Great outdoor living. Really nice side yard. So that's the east end of the home. This is, of course, west side. Here, excuse me, south side. And let's walk around west and check the inside of the house out. All right, we'll hop on the deck here where there is a man door, of course, on the back of the home. Comes through the garage into the little utility mudroom. Okay, front door. We walk in and we land into this really nice living room. That brick surround was for a wood-burning fireplace, but it has also been plumbed for natural gas. You can see that right there in the corner. Really neat space. This home has just had a fresh coat of paint. Carpets have just been cleaned. There's your dining. And gives you a good view of your kitchen uppers and lowers. Zoom around here, show you the dishwasher. Very nice. And then let me pan back the other direction. And through the kitchen, we have a little utility room. You have your furnace over here on this side. Easy to get to as far as your filters. And washer and dryer. Connections there with shelving. Okay, to the left is the garage door. I'll probably come walk through that last. So again, let me pan back. This accesses the hallway. I'm going to go through the kitchen, around back to the living room, and we're going to now go down the hallway. So this home has 4 bedrooms. Again, hallway to the garage. This is a nice little storage closet here on the right. Got shelves built in. Great storage there. Directly to the left will be bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. Just right of bedroom number 1 is full bathroom. Tub. Shower surround, really nice flooring, great backsplash. And then we have bedroom 2 here. Cute little built-in shelves, closet savers in all rooms. Bedroom 3. And back down the hall, left side, bedroom 4, and on the right side, a big family room. So let's do bedroom 4 first. Just come in here. Great view. And this gives you a good feel of what the primary room would look like. Got a nice little cubby right here for a desk or a study or additional closet space. Mirror doors on the closet. And across from the primary room is this big nice family room. This is a really nice sized room. Hopefully this gives you some perspective of the space. They had in here a couple of sofas and they were projecting and watching big screen here. But this room really could be utilized in a lot of ways. All right, let's bounce out and see the garage really quick. Nice solid insulated door and good shelving both sides of the